In this video, we will try to understand ChatGPT capabilities and we will try to learn that how we can use ChatGPT effectively. Respected friends, ChatGPT can accurately translate text between languages. This is what makes it invaluable asset for communication and collaboration in today's interconnected world. To make the best use of ChatGPT, it is essential to follow best practices, prepare the text input carefully and verify the accuracy of the output. And obviously, we have to be aware of its limitation and challenges. Despite these challenges, ChatGPT's real-world applications have been remarkable, making it a powerful tool for breaking down linguistic barriers and bringing people together. So let's move toward practical. First of all, I will type here, convert this to Urdu language, that Pakistan is a Muslim country. You can also use the single brackets or triple quotes as well, or other symbols. So let me press enter. So you can see that it have received the text in a language which is English, and then it find another similar words that match to that language, and it is answering me in the desired language that I have asked. So it is telling me that Pakistan एक Muslim मुल्क है. Obviously that is Urdu. So that's how you can use this tool to translate a language to another language. Obviously you can train this to always answer in Urdu. For example, let me type here, you are a customer service representative. When anyone asks you a question in English, you reply in Urdu language. Are you understand ChatGPT? So you can see that जी हाँ, मैं आपकी खिदमत में हूँ और अगर आपको कोई सवाल हो तो बराह करम उर्दू में पूछें. So now you can see that whenever I will ask anything in English, it will reply me in Urdu language. For example, let me type here, who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2020. Let me press enter and you can see that Pakistan के वज़ीर आज़म का अहद 2020 में इमरान खान था. So obviously you can see that whenever you will ask any question, it will reply me in Urdu language. And similarly, let me type another question that write a short story on thirsty crow. Okay, you can see that it is writing in English, and let me ask, convert this story to Urdu language. So you can see that it is again converting that into Urdu language. एक दिन एक छोटे से गांव में भरी हुई गर्मियों के एक दिन में एक प्यासा कौवा पानी की तलाश में मसरूफ़ था. गर्मी की सख्त धूप में सूरज की शुआएं बेरहमी से गिर रही थी और बेचारा को अपना गला खुश्क और खुश्क महसूस कर रहा था. एंड ब्ला 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 एंड सो ऑन. सो फ्रेंड्स, you can see that now it is converting that complete paragraphs into Urdu language, and obviously you can again ask it to convert into another language like Arabic language, Spanish language, and this type of stuff. So friends, obviously ChatGPT is a very powerful tool, but I see that people directly try to use that and they did not learn how we can actually use this and we can use this for our benefit. I must suggest you to learn ChatGPT properly, give some valuable time to this. So and obviously the second part, learn prompt engineering. Inshallah, we are going to bring a prompt engineering course for you in the coming days. Once you will learn this, your knowledge to use this large language model will be increased, and you will able to get more accurate results from this tool. Personally, I have used prompt engineering techniques in using this ChatGPT, and I'm a programmer, and when I write custom plugins for my clients, ChatGPT save my lot of time. So I must suggest you to learn this tool properly. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.